Monopoly set up again, understanding the numbers. One separates everything. It is the block at the track, the train track, right? So if we were to drive to this train track, how would we turn around to go down another track? Will we go here and turn left? If we're turning left, we must cut off a corner so the trains can go forward and then left, taking up two area spaces. 1, 3, 5. Okay, 1, 3, 5 is your first house in 9. But your first house from coming from here, okay, actually takes off this area. Here's the center. Here's the center area. So your first actual block, right? Understanding, here's the train and here's the train. So here's your first block. Here is your second block. Here is your third block. 3 blocks of 4. 3 blocks of 4. To this side is 1, 2, 3. To this side is to this side, okay, is 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks plus 1. 3, 3, 3 here, 2 here, sorry, 2, 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 2, 1. So when we talk, nothing goes past 1, right? 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. That is the maximum we can get. Now, going around the center, okay, the center here owns all of these 8 spaces. So nothing starts until right over here. So nothing starts until here. And nothing starts until here because the center, 13, is owned by this one over here. Why did I put number 6? Why did I put number 6? It's 2 for the train area, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. 2 and then 5. Every one away from the tracks is going to be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 to the center. Okay, so over here in this area we have 1, 2. We have how many areas are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5 by 5 area over here after we leave the center. A 5 by 5 area here, 5 by 5, 5 by 5, 5 by 5. We have 100. Okay, the train tracks, okay, over here owns to the right of the tracks and owns to the left of the tracks, to the left and to the right of the tracks. So this number 6, okay, this number 6 will own 2 areas, 2, 4, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, plus 21 over here, okay. Now this area owns 21, but this area over here should not be counted because now we can't count it in this area over here. See this one over here? This one over here? This one over here? Okay, this area over here is the same thing. It becomes 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, okay, 15, 18, 21. This one will also be, and 21. But we already have counted 1, 2, 3. We have already counted. Let me see. I'm going all the way up to here, right? Oh yes, we've already counted these 3. We have already counted these 3 over here. So we counted 6. So we have to add 15 and 15 and 15. So this is 45. 55, 65, 66, it's 166, there's 3 missing. It's 15, 16, 16, now I'm getting a little, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, there's 4 15s. There's 4 15s, I'm not going to count the train station over here, Central Station. I'm not going to count it. In Central Station, we already had 60, and plus Central Station is 9, we get a total of 100. Plus 60 plus 9 equals to a total of 169. 13 times 13, this is the Monopoly board. Now this is the center. The center, okay, in this angle owns 616. 61, you can go 616 if you want. This train is going straight. 616. If you count it as 5, does that mean you're turning a different angle? Okay. When you say 6-4, you're going over here. When you say 6-1, it's because it's the center. So we have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. 11 and 13 11 and 13 are corners. You connect the corners because it starts over here. This is the first block in the corner. Monopoly has 2 high, right? So in each corner, if you want to count each corner, you have 100, and then you have your trains. Okay, 1, 2, 3 areas. You have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 areas. The train gets 3 areas. It's 3, 3, and 3 areas. Okay, inside this area, you get, remember what this takes up. Okay, 4, 1 and 1 here, 1 and 1 here, and then this one up to here. This is the design this will make. I didn't want to ruin it, but this is the design it will make. This is going around the corner over here. And going around the corner over here, we end up with, did I get this right? Sorry, we have to do this like this. And this one like this also, okay? We get this like this. Follow me? We get this P over here into this. So we have 8 over here, open block. We have an 8 over here, open block. All the blocks we don't use. Now these blocks unused, I'm going to show you them. After the corner, before the train, is 1, 2, 3 areas. Okay, 1, 2, 3 areas. Is that correct? 3 areas. Then we don't get this one, 4, 5 areas, so we get 6. We get 66 separation from the corner. The corner is 4. So when we're talking 6, 4, 6, it could possibly mean this scenario. If we're talking about going around the center of 9, okay, we automatically get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We automatically get 16 going around 9. Now why I do this, everybody knows why I do this, right? Now, what we're going to do now is we have the corner, right, which is a